Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. I've sent the tutorials on how to do the registry sheet and the settings sheet. So what you can see is the registry sheet, the registry, and this is the settings sheet. Now our next sheet is the subject SBA sheet. So as usual, you have to create a new sheet by clicking on the plus sign over here. A new sheet is created. A new sheet is created. A new sheet is created. Now, okay, a new sheet is created. Let's rename the sheet. So maybe let me start with RME. If the RME is the subject that you want to start first, so you rename it RME. You click enter. You click enter. Now let me check the first thing that start with. So on the subject SB, the first thing that start is our serial number. So let's create a heading, serial number. Then after serial number, the name. Now let's select both cells. Then you click on Ctrl T. We are changing it to a table. I've already told you that I like working with a table. We can do it without it converting it to table. So my table has headers, so you click on OK. Okay, now let's go to the next column. The next column is total class score. So total class score, and it's 100. You go to the next total class score, 50%. Total class score, so to bracket 50%. Then the next thing, let me check. The next thing is exam score, 100%. So exams score, 100%. Then after that, the next column is what? Exam score, 50%. Exams score, 50%. Okay, let me check the next. The next is total score. Total score. Total score. Total score is 100%. Then the next thing is the grade. The grade. Let me check the grade. Grade. Let's make it maybe letters grading. And then numbers grading. We'll be doing two gradings, the one using the numbers and the one using the letters. Then the next thing is position. position, and Remax. Position, then Remax. Okay, as usual, let's remove the filters so that I can see the headings well. Let's try to change the colors of the table. Normally I like this one. Okay, let's select the entire heading. We go to home. Let's center it. Then let's apply the text wrap. The text wrap. You see how it has arranged it. So, let's increase the size of the name. Okay, so now we are done. We are done with creating the SBA sheet for the particular subject, and this subject we are dealing with RME. We are dealing with RME. Let's try to increase the size of the table. So that one you can do so by clicking on the design over here. You go to Resize Table. You select it. Now let's change the last number to 100 and click OK or enter. You see we have increased the size to the row number 100. Okay, now the SBA, to prevent double serial numbers and names appearing twice, I have linked the names. I have linked the names and the serial number to the registry sheet, so that whatever name or serial number that will be given at the registry sheet will appear on every subject teacher's SBA sheet. So there is no need for the subject teachers to type the names again. Then that there will be some sort of mistakes in spelling of the names. So the names is entered once. So in order for the names and the serial number to appear here automatically, we use a formula, and we call this formula lookup formula. We are looking at something in a particular cell. The advanced one is index and match. So we want the serial number that is at the registry to appear here on every SBA sheet. So we start with our formula. Don't forget that every formula starts with equal to. So equal to. Then we start with index. You bring your open bracket. Now when you look there, you can see that we have array or reference. It is asking, the array is like which column, which column do you want to arrange them alphabetically over there, or which column do you want to arrange them, or which column do you want to appear over there. Now we want registry. Serial numbers to appear there. So we start by referencing the registry sheet. So registry.